Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Android phone settings, and this setting I'm about to show you right here can make your Hotspot network browsing 3 times faster. Let me show you how. For everyone using Android phone and you are using Hotspot to browse your phone, you need to change these settings right now. Go ahead and open up your Android phone settings. Having opened up your Android phone settings, click on Hotspot connections. The next thing you want to do is to click on personal hotspot. Then go ahead and click on hotspot settings. Come down below where you have AP band. Click on that. Then make sure you switch from 2.4 to 5.0. Lastly, go ahead and click on this check mark to effect change. And you are done. With that, you are going to experience 3 times faster of your Hotspot browsing on your Android phone. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.